In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Arne promo codes in 2024. So this is pretty simple and we'll jump right into it. First of all, you have to open your web browser and go to your Google search and search for Arne promo codes. Right here, you have to select this website, which is couponboards.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list of different types of promo codes and deals that we can choose from. Simply you'll have to search for the best deal for you. And for example, if you want to get this 10% off, you have to select get code right here and use this promo code on your next purchase in order to get that discount. If you go back to your main search on Google right here, you should be able to find this website, which is retrieve.com. And right here, we have also different type of promo codes that are available right now. For example, if you want to use this 10% off your next order, all you have to do is select copy code right here. And this is your discount code that you can use on your next purchase in order to get that discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.